Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another electrifying episode where we explore the wonders of the scientific world. Today, we're diving into the world of Tesla coils, those electrifying wonders that seem straight out of a science fiction movie. These devices are not just fascinating to look at, but they also represent a significant leap in our understanding of electricity and wireless energy. But first, let's meet the brilliant mind behind it all, Nikola Tesla. Tesla was a man of many talents, a true polymath who made groundbreaking contributions to various fields, including electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and even theoretical physics. This Serbian-American inventor was a true visionary, way ahead of his time. Born in 1856, Tesla's innovative ideas and relentless pursuit of knowledge led him to create some of the most revolutionary technologies of the 20th century. He dreamed of a future powered by electricity, where energy flowed freely through the air. Imagine a world where you could power your devices without a single wire. Tesla envisioned this over a century ago, and his most spectacular invention, the Tesla coil, was a giant leap towards that future. The Tesla coil is a high-voltage, high-frequency transformer that can generate impressive electrical discharges, creating a visual spectacle that is both awe-inspiring and educational. Tesla wasn't just an inventor, he was a showman. He had a flair for the dramatic and loved to captivate audiences with his demonstrations. His public shows were legendary, often leaving spectators in sheer amazement. He loved demonstrating his inventions to the public, often with dramatic flair. These demonstrations were not just about showcasing his inventions, they were about inspiring people to dream big and think beyond the conventional. Imagine this: Tesla, standing in the middle of his laboratory, unleashing bolts of artificial lightning from a towering coil, illuminating the room with an ethereal glow. The air would be filled with the crackling sound of electricity, and the sight would be nothing short of magical. That's the magic of Tesla coils. They are not just scientific instruments, they are a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. They're not just scientific instruments, they're works of art, captivating audiences with their raw power and beauty. Whether in a lab, a museum, or an art installation, Tesla coils continue to inspire and amaze, reminding us of the boundless possibilities of science and innovation. So how do these mesmerizing contraptions actually work? Let's dive into the fascinating world of Tesla coils and uncover the science behind their electrifying displays. Well, it all boils down to the magic of resonant circuits. These circuits are designed to oscillate at specific frequencies, allowing them to transfer energy efficiently. Think of it like swinging on a swing set. If you time your pushes just right, with each swing you build up more and more energy. This is similar to how resonant circuits work, building up electrical energy with each oscillation. A Tesla coil has two main parts, a primary coil and a secondary coil, each with its own capacitor. The primary coil is connected to a power source, while the secondary coil is where the magic happens. The capacitor acts like a battery, storing up electrical energy. When the capacitor in the primary coil is fully charged, it releases its energy in a sudden burst. When the energy in the primary coil reaches its peak, it jumps across a gap, creating a high-frequency oscillating current. This current flows back and forth rapidly, creating a resonant frequency. This oscillation induces a much higher voltage in the secondary coil, like pushing that swing higher and higher. The secondary coil amplifies the voltage to astonishing levels. The result? Spectacular high-voltage discharges that look like miniature lightning bolts. These discharges are not only visually stunning, but also demonstrate the incredible power of resonant circuits and high-voltage engineering. Tesla's ultimate goal was to use his coils for wireless power transmission. He believed that by harnessing the power of his coils, he could create a world where electricity was available to everyone, everywhere, without the need for cumbersome wires and infrastructure. He envisioned a world where electricity could be beamed through the air, effortlessly reaching homes, businesses, and even remote locations. This revolutionary idea was far ahead of its time and sparked the imagination of many. Powering homes and devices without the need for messy wires. Imagine that, a future where you could simply walk into a room and your devices would start charging automatically without ever needing to plug them in. While we haven't quite achieved Tesla's grand vision of a completely wireless world, his work paved the way for many technologies we use today. His experiments and theories laid the groundwork for the development of wireless communication and power transfer. Radio technology, for example, owes a great deal to Tesla's pioneering work with high-frequency waves. His innovations made it possible to transmit sound and information over long distances without the need for physical connections. And today, wireless charging pads for our smartphones and other devices are becoming increasingly common, using principles similar to those behind Tesla's coils. These pads allow us to charge our gadgets conveniently and efficiently, without the hassle of tangled cords. So the next time you plop your phone down on a charging pad, remember the visionary inventor who dared to dream of a wireless future. Tesla's legacy lives on in the technology we use every day, reminding us of the power of innovation and imagination. Section 4. Electrifying art, Tesla coils, light up the stage. Tesla coils aren't just confined to the realm of science and technology, they've also become a captivating form of art. Artists and musicians have embraced these electrifying devices, incorporating them into stunning visual performances and creating otherworldly music. Imagine standing in a darkened room, mesmerized by a Tesla coil show. As the coils crackle and hum, they produce dazzling arcs of electricity that dance and weave through the air, creating intricate patterns of light and sound. Some artists even use Tesla coils to play music, manipulating the frequency of the discharges to produce different notes and melodies. These performances are a testament to the unique beauty and artistic potential of Tesla's invention. Section 5. Fun facts about Tesla coils. Prepare to be amazed. Now, are you ready for some electrifying trivia? Did you know that the electric arcs produced by Tesla coils can reach temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun? That's incredibly hot. And despite their intimidating appearance, these high-voltage discharges are generally harmless to humans. That's because the high frequency of the current prevents it from penetrating the body deeply. And here's another fascinating tidbit. Tesla coils can actually play music. By controlling the frequency of the sparks, you can create different musical notes. Some talented musicians have even built entire instruments around Tesla coils, creating otherworldly melodies that are sure to electrify your ears. Section 6. The legacy of Tesla coils. A spark that ignited the future. Over a century after their invention, Tesla coils continue to captivate our imaginations. They're a symbol of Nikola Tesla's genius and his unwavering belief in the power of electricity to transform the world. While we may not yet live in a world entirely powered wirelessly, Tesla's legacy lives on in countless technologies we use every day. And beyond their technological significance, Tesla coils have become a source of artistic inspiration, reminding us that science and art are not mutually exclusive. They can coexist and even complement each other, creating something truly extraordinary. Section 7. Conclusion. The enduring fascination with Tesla coils. From their humble beginnings in Tesla's laboratory to their modern-day applications in technology and art, these electrifying devices continue to spark our curiosity and ignite our imaginations. They're a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the boundless possibilities of science and innovation. So, the next time you come across a Tesla coil, take a moment to appreciate the brilliance of its inventor and the enduring legacy of this electrifying invention. Stay curious, keep exploring, and always remember, science rules.